get it for you.
So we just got home, and I have the hiccups real bad. The spaghetti did it, I think. I think I'm calming down now. Got a yawn. Ugh. But no, I can feel it coming on. There's a hiccup. Georgie's. Is that funny? Yeah, you're good at making fun of Daddy, aren't you, Georgie?
Let me get it.
That's okay. I'll keep.
You move when you do it. It's a bumpy ride.
It is.
Come here. Let me.
For you, the viewer. Oh, look at that little Charlie. He's so precious. Hopefully this nice beverage here will take care of it. Oh, that could have been bad. Over here.
I know.
Oh, man.
Okay, do
You
that.
tell it rained today?
Yours?
Yeah. Let's see it.
Okay, that's enough.
Let's see it.